In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a contact form on your Wix website. So you want to sign in to your dashboard and then go to Site Actions and click on Edit Site. This will send you over here where you'll end up on your website. You want to click on the plus icon over here in the Wix editor. You want to click on search, and then all you need to do basically is search for contact form, and then you'll see that it will show up like this. You can then click on that. It will go over here, and this is where you can find the different templates available. So we have this one, this one, this one, this one. So you have a couple available. You simply want to click on the one that you would like to use, and it will then add the contact form on your website. So alright, so let's just add it over here. I know this doesn't fit. This is just a random test website, but you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and this is the contact form. So first name, last name, email, phone number, a message, and then the submit button, which you can also change. So you can click on edit field. You can then customize all of this. So you can show the field title or not. You can use placeholder text or none. This is where you can customize the entire section. So you can add an element, you can change the layout, design, animation, all of this. You can customize all of it. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can add a contact form on Wix. Once again, I encourage you to just play around with this, customize it so that it fits what you're looking for. But yeah, that's how you can add a contact form on your Wix website. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.